Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the monthly ticket, one monthly ticket in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for the new player, for the beginner that new into this game. The first thing you have to do is tap the quest, scroll down, and you can find this P50 challenge quest. So you can get this monthly ticket, so you can join P50 monthly challenge. You can get this by win the champions once in P50 challenge. Let's tap go. This one, P50 challenge, you have to win this event, and of course there was a condition to entry. Required team OVR is between 80 and 100, so you have to do this or win this once, and you have to entry by this ticket. So if you do not have this ticket, you can go. So I do have 6 here, but my condition of team not met the require. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.